On the last video, I was installing the carpet pad on the risers, and today I'm going to work on putting the carpet pads on the sides of the risers. So we're going to get started on it. I've cut a template out, and I've got it to where I'm going to put it on the carpet, and I'm going to cut the pattern for it. So hang on, we'll see how this goes. Okay, I got it all masked off with newspaper. I'm getting ready to spray the 3M77 spray adhesive on here, and we'll move forward from there. Okay, I sprayed a light coat on the panel here. Also sprayed a light coat on the back of the mat I'm going to install. So we'll let this sit for about 10 minutes and then we'll start the install. Well, the project is finished. Here's the final, putting the pads on the sides. I've got a little tape here. And as you can tell, it turned out, seemed like pretty good. I think it'll cut down a lot of the heat, because that was bare metal from underneath the coach, and it'll kind of maybe make it even a little quieter inside. But anyway, I'm real pleased with the way it turned out. It was pretty easy to do. I just used the 3M77 spray and sprayed the actual metal, and then sprayed the back of the mat, and it turned out pretty good. These mats on the floor, on the step here, are removable. You just pick them up and you shake them out and put them back in place. So that's the project. If you like this video, look at the first video where I did the back risers. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up and like it and share it if you'd like. Have a great day and a blessed day.